How is the spring housing market shaping up for home buyers and sellers in Los Altos and Los Altos Hills? Coming up on this 2-minute drill. This is Danny Gould with the Selling Silicon Valley Group. Welcome everyone to another 2-minute drill for Los Altos and Los Altos Hills, where we cover all things real estate related in 2 minutes or less. But before we go into the data and the numbers, if you are a home seller in either Los Altos or Los Altos Hills, you're looking for a comprehensive data set or a comprehensive guide rather to help you with your selling process, you can text the word LA Seller Guide. That's LA Seller Guide to the number down below, and we will send that seller guide straight to your inbox. And if you're a home buyer in today's marketplace, you're looking for a guide to assist you with your home buying journey, you can text the word Buyer Guide to the number down below, and we will send that straight to your inbox. All right, guys, so we are super high tech here. We're going to get into the data and set our timer here. Siri, set timer for 2 minutes.
Your timer is set.
Ready, set, go. Los Altos and Los Altos Hills right now are experiencing neutral activity levels. The market is neither in the seller or the buyer's favor. This is very unusual for this market, and what we know is that Palo Alto, Los Altos Hills, they're very similar. You see a lot of similarities, and Palo Alto is also starting to show signs of weakness, and has been for some time. Now, if you look at the Los Altos single family numbers, you see we had 47 homes listed for sale, 20 homes went pending. The absorption rate for the single family sector is down to 29.8%. Anything above 33.3% is considered a seller's market. And so right now, the single family sector is struggling. A lot of questions as to why. Well, truthfully, when you think about Los Altos and your Los Altos Hills, proximity to a lot of the major tech companies, these major tech companies are saying 2021, 2022, all work from home. And this is really starting to get some people's wheels turning. And we are seeing higher than level inventory levels as a result, because people are leaving the area, moving to other parts of the state or the country. And that is putting pressure on prices, downward pressure on prices. Flipping over to the condo sector in Los Altos Hills, we see 12 homes, 12 condos on the market, and only 6 of them go pending. Now, that's not terrible, but the absorption rate is 33.3% on the dot, which shows us that right now the neutrality of the market is real in both the condo sector and the single family sector. And if you're a home buyer looking at this and you're trying to make a decision as to what you should do, I mean, these are the market conditions that buyers salivate over in Silicon Valley, because very rarely have you seen homes actually go, or have you seen areas actually go into full buyer market mode? So a neutral market, there we go, that's all the time we have. A neutral market feels like a buyer's market to most Silicon Valley areas and most Silicon Valley sellers and buyers. So if you're a home buyer, now's the time. If you're a home seller, pricing your property, the strategy that you deploy to price your property is more important now more than ever. So if you're looking for something to assist you with your pricing strategy to maximize exposure and get that highest possible price, you can text the word data plus your property address, and we will send you that pricing strategy straight to your inbox. And if you're a home buyer in today's marketplace, you're looking at Los Altos, Los Altos Hills, or any other area, you can text the word data plus the zip code, area, or the neighborhood that you are looking in, and we will get that information straight to your inbox. This is Danny Gould, everyone, with the Selling Silicon Valley Group, and I will catch all of you in the next 2-minute drill.